Yep. Says right there, coming soon. CSL Plasma. Maybe I can sell some of my blood and get a Mavic 2 Pro. Maybe not. I don't think anybody would want my blood. But I wanted to show you this bank. This was an iconic bank over here. I think it was built in like 1965 or something of that nature. They're demolishing it now. It was a round building. Pretty wild. Look at that thing. And of course they're going to put something in here. A car wash. So I'm sure that'll be neat. Wow, look at all that. I just noticed this the other day because I just live back over the hill there. But it doesn't look like they got that much left here to do. It looks like half the building is gone. I'm not going to cross the line because I don't want one of these local cops busting me. Wow. Some of that stuff is just barely hanging on there because they just started, I think, today over here because the drive-up window was over here. Let me see if I can get around to that. There's Texas Roadhouse. It sucks. I can't stand that place. Yeah, they just started hitting this today because this was actually okay yesterday. The drive-up window, which was right there. So they just started mauling on that. This was a bank up until a couple of years ago when this was at Allegheny Valley Bank. It's been a few banks because I know it was designed as a bank, so you really never could repurpose it for anything else. It was a very unique structure, you know, so you weren't going to be able to repurpose it for anything. So to do anything, you're just going to have to tear it down. So there's the cops, by the way. See, see now, if I would have went over there, they'd have grabbed me. TDR in prison. That's what it would have been.
I hit
TDR in the big house. So I guess they'll be coming over here tomorrow. Wow. It's just amazing, man. Watching these demolitions. Hopefully I can get the Anafi up here and get an aerial shot of this. I don't have time today because I got to go do something. Or I would, because the Anafi's actually in the car. But I don't have time today to get to it, so I'm going to try to get out here maybe tomorrow afternoon. It shouldn't all be gone by then, but I'm sure a nice little chunk of it will be gone. Then they'll have to sit here and scrap it all up. They're separating all the scrap over there. You see all the I-beams and all that, and then all the corrugated metals over here. So, yeah, they're getting to it. They're getting to it. Wow. All right, guys. Talk to you later.